As you can see, I have a Mustang Mach-E back here behind me, and I am going to tell you the first 3 things that you should do when you take possession of your Mustang Mach-E. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to reset the driving history. Why do you want to reset the driving history? Because your range estimator, which, you know, we don't always go by, and it's not ever perfect, but it factors in 2 main things. Number 1 is your driving habits. Number 2 is the temperature outside. So the reason you want to reset this is because even if you bought your car new, someone has driven your car. Even if it has 4 miles, 10 miles, whatever, they may have driven your car a little bit around the lot, onto the trailer, getting it off, things like that. So you want to reset the driving habits. That way it learns how you drive. It's going to be able to better estimate the range for you as you're driving. Now, the other thing is the outside temperature. So when it's cold, you're going to lose some range. When it warms up, you're going to get good range. If you bought this used, this is going to be very important for you. So you want to reset that because you don't want the range estimator based off of a previous owner. You have no idea how they were driving the car. You want it to be the best estimation for you. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to hit this little button right up here. That's going to bring up this list, and then you are going to go into Vehicle, and then you're going to scroll down to the bottom, and you will see right here it says EV Driving History. You press that, hold it, and it will reset the driving history. Okay, the second thing you want to do is you want to set up profiles in your car, and it will hold multiple profiles. So I have a profile and my wife has a profile. What that profile saves is your seat setting, your mirrors, so it will automatically adjust those when you get in the car and select your profile. The other thing that it does is it actually keeps track of your driving habits in your history in the profile. So you may get in and your range say 270, your wife may get in because she's got a little heavier foot. When she puts her profile on, it'll say 262, so you want to make sure that you have your separate profiles, and it's a lot easier so you don't have to keep moving seats back and forth. The other thing you get to do with your profile is you can set your phone up as a key, so you can designate a certain key fob to your profile also. And that just makes it a lot easier when you're getting in and out. Then it just recognizes your phone or recognizes the key fob and says, oh, this is Jim, and I'm going to set up the car for him so he doesn't have to select the profile. But we'll go ahead and I'll show you how to set up your profile. So where you're going to click is this little person up here in the corner. That's going to bring up your profiles. You can see there's Felicia, Jim, and we can add a profile here, show you what happens. You can do name your profile. You can link your memory seating, which also does your mirrors. You can add a photo on there. You can also link the key fob like I was talking about, or you can link your phone. So that's your choice of how you want to do that. It's an awesome feature. That way the car sets up exactly how you want it. Now, if I go back out of this and I go into mine and say I hit my thing, it adjusts my seat, it adjusts my mirrors. It also stores how you have your settings on your screen. If you like to have the dark theme on there, that will be saved in there. You're driving how you drive. So we're in my profile. I'm going to shut these off. And I'm going to switch over to unbridled. And now, if we go in here and we go to my wife's, it's now changing my seat, and once it switches to her name, we'll go in here and you can look and see, and now it has her engaged. One pedal driving propulsion sound is on. And just to go back, we'll go back to my name. Everything switched over again. It's in my name now. Switch back, turn everything on, and there it's no one pedal driving, no propulsion sound, and it's in unbridled. So that is a cool feature that you get with setting up your profiles. The third thing you want to do is you want to make sure you set your home as a charging location on your app. because what will happen is the Mach-E will automatically charge to 100% unless you tell it not to. So what you want to do is you want to open your app, and then you want to go to the bottom and click on Vehicle. When that opens up, then you want to go to Charging and click on that. Then you want to click Charge Settings. Then you'll click Preferred Charge Times. Then you're going to click on Previous Locations and choose the location. Then you can go to the bottom, you see it's charged at 100%. You can adjust that down to 90%, 95%, 85%, 80%. And you see down at the bottom, there is set my own time or recommended time, so you can do that at any time. Also, at the main screen where it's charging at the bottom, click on the button Details. And when you do that, then you can click Charge to 100% if you're getting ready for a trip. Also, something that I didn't know until I charged for the first time, if you charge at an Electrify America or any DC fast charger, the phone will tell you what it's going to be when it reaches 80%, how long to 80%. It won't say anything past that, but if you leave it connected, it will charge past 80%. It just doesn't register how long it's going to be to 80% or 90% or 100%, and you can't change that. So if you want to charge longer, just leave it plugged in. If this is your first time here, I hope you enjoyed this, and maybe give us a like, and maybe you want to subscribe. Check out the video that I've got up here. That's all I got for you guys this week. I will see you later.